All right, guys, we're back with another ripped in 6 workout, and this one's gonna be all about your triceps. So make sure you watch this video, get your Tabata app ready, and get ready to get to work. Hey, what's up, guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. All right, we're about to do another ripped in 6 workout. This one is a tricep workout, all right? If you haven't done any of these other ripped in 6 workouts, I'm gonna give you a brief setup. You're gonna need a Tabata app. Get your Tabata app, it's an interval timer. Basically what you're gonna do is, we're doing 4 exercises with no rest in between, all right? That's gonna be round 1, and we're doing each exercise for 37 seconds. As soon as you do the 4th, you're gonna go straight back to the beginning and do those same group of exercises again with no rest. All right, so you're basically doing 8 intervals. That's how it's set up. 4, and then we're gonna rotate back to the top and do the 4 again. So on your Tabata app, set up 8 intervals at 37 seconds each. That's gonna leave you with 1 minute left, and that 1 minute is our finisher. It's an all-out 60-second finisher, and for this, we're gonna do a close grip push-up. So it's gonna be tough, it's gonna be challenging, but it's a tremendous workout, and the best thing, only takes 6 minutes. All right. That being said, let's get ready. Let me get my Tabata app ready. All right, and we're gonna start with a dumbbell. That's the good thing about all these. All these can be dumbbells only, all right? You don't need anything else. Dumbbells, and we're gonna be utilizing a bench for 2 of these exercises. However, if you don't have a bench at home, you can do these on the floor, so it doesn't matter. It limits the range of motion slightly, but you're still gonna get tremendous benefits. All right, so the first one is gonna be a dumbbell overhead extension for the triceps. Tabata app is ready.
Exercise.
37 seconds, as many reps as you can. Focus on a good stretch, good contraction. Good stretch, good contraction. That's gonna be the key with all of these, making sure you're doing really good form. Wanna make sure you protect those elbows. Stretch, contract. We're gonna go straight in. After these, we're gonna go straight into a dumbbell kickback, all right? This is gonna give you a really good stretch.
Exercise.
All right, dumbbell kickbacks. Same stretch here, good contraction. 37 seconds. We're gonna go from here. This is where we're gonna get the bench, and we're gonna do a skull crusher, dumbbell skull crushers.
Exercise.
Good stretch if you can, good contraction. Make sure you're keeping the dumbbells behind your head when you do these to keep tension on the triceps. You don't want them straight up. You actually want to angle them back. That's gonna allow your triceps to do a whole lot more work. From here, you're gonna do a dumbbell close grip bench press.
Exercise.
Grab these. All right, close grip. Basically, bring your elbows in tight. Stretch at the elbow, contract. You want to minimize your chest as much as possible, so you're not focused here on bringing a deep stretch from your chest. It's more of a bend at the elbow, press with your triceps. Bend at the elbow, press with your triceps.
Exercise.
End of round 1. Round 2, back to overhead extensions. All right, your triceps should be fatigued already. "37 seconds, guys, come on." Back to the kickback.
Exercise.
All right. Kickbacks. Make sure your elbows are high when you do these, all right? Keep your elbows up high, chest out tall. You're bending over, so on the way down, hinge at the hips, as opposed to just bending at the waist. That's gonna help keep your lower back safe.
Exercise.
Skull crushers. All right, we're getting through this quickly. Again, good stretch, good contraction. And if you're doing these on the floor, again, that's fine. Just make sure, since you're getting a limited range of motion at the bottom, that you're keeping those dumbbells out behind your head.
Exercise.
All right, close grip, guys. We're almost done. Close grip. And then we're gonna get into our finisher, all right? 60 seconds of a close grip push-up. And again, you do as many as you can because it will be tough. It will be challenging, I can promise you that. All right, on the close grip, key point, make sure your hands are slightly inside your shoulders. Rotate your elbows in to your sides and briefly touch your sides on the way down. Good stretch, tries, good contraction at the top, all right? Really focus on driving with those tries. If this gets challenging, it's okay to go to your knees, all right? And rep these out on your knees. Just do whatever you can do comfortably, using good form. Keep your torso tight as well, all right? All right, that is 6 minutes of an all-out tricep assault. So get this workout done, get it implemented, didn't take long. Tremendous workout. Also guys, if you haven't checked out any of our other 6-minute videos, we got a lot of Ripped in 6 videos covering all body parts, even full body workouts. So make sure you check those out. There's a few over here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Other than that, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.